In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to make a clan in Brawlhalla on the PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, if you play a lot of Brawlhalla, you might have heard about clans, which are organized groups of players who want to play together, practice against each other, etc. Of course, this feature is majorly available on PC. It was first released here and you can easily find it upon going to the home screen. You will notice that because my account is low level, because I am a noob, I won't be able to show you the process of actually starting a clan on PC. You need to be at least level 15. Now, PlayStation players got curious and are starting to wonder if it is possible to make a clan in Brawlhalla on the PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It seems like this feature is missing from the console releases of Brawlhalla. Even if you go over to the settings, the options, you maybe try to do some sort of account linking from PC to PlayStation. What you will notice is that even besides all of this, you will never have the option to create a clan from scratch if you only play on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. So as of today, is it truly impossible? Is the button hidden somewhere else? Do you need a specific update or version of the game? Sadly, as it stands today, for whatever reason, even though it has been years ever since clans were introduced to Brawlhalla, they never ported the option to make a clan over to the console releases of the game. So as it stands today, you will only be able to create a clan if you play Brawlhalla on PC. It is extremely unfortunate, but don't worry, most clans will still accept console players, and instead of joining the clan through the game, you simply have to join their Discord server instead. They do this little workaround because, like I said, due to the fact that it's impossible to make a clan on the console versions of Brawlhalla, they just prefer to manage a clan with Discord instead. It makes it easier to find players, and of course, it allows them to recruit console players who don't have access to the feature. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to inform everyone that clans still aren't released officially. You should try joining a clan through a Discord server instead of inside of the game. I hope I was able to answer any questions that you had. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.